Díomh agus fáilte go grammar beag, bite-sized Irish grammar videos for primary school pupils.
So today we're looking at asking questions and answering in the negative. So I'm Shalahrak in the present tense. So the question is on and the negative is ni. The rilaka, the rules. So when we're asking the question, we add an uru to the verb after on. And when we're answering in the negative, we add a shevu to the verb after ni. So on is the kesh, the question, and it puts in an uru, and you can see our urus are there beside us. So on Nortian 2, are you harsh? On Vaughan she, have you left? On Rihin 2, are you running? On Olin Shiv, are you drinking? On Dogamid, are we taking? And need the negative adds in a shevu where possible. Ni gartium, I am not hurting. Ni agen she isn't leaving. Ni rihin 2, you are not running. Ni olin shiv, ye are not drinking. Ni hogamid, we are not taking.
Agus sin é.